Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Welcome back, guys. Here with Ashimary once more. Love this, the color of this packaging as well. So let's get into it. First thing I'm seeing is the wig. Guys, they are in the Halloween spirit, okay? We got this hand. Turns out it is a clip. This is so in the season, like definitely giving. Oh, so I actually got one of these before. It's actually like a robe. It's branded Ashimary. Then I got like this choker. This is really cute. Look at the details. That's nice. Really cute goodies so far. Then I also got this Ashimary information card, how to care for your hair and how you can get cash back and stuff. That's what's listed on the inside of this. Then also got a pair of HD wig caps. I got a Ashimary elastic, branded elastic band, a pair of lashes. I got this edge brush and comb, and then lastly this razor, which you can use to like remove excess lace on your wig and stuff. Really get you a really nice detail cut whenever you're removing your excess lace or just cutting anything overall, because it's so small. So yeah, today's wig we're working with, guys, I'm super excited because guess what? This is definitely a construction I live for. This is a full 13x6 lace frontal wig, guys. What I mean by full, I mean that not just the mid portion is 13x6, it's 13x6 straight across the front portion of the wig. So you get that full size, you get that full depth. You can get nice deep parts if you want to do a braided style. If you want to do deep like parted ponytails, you can get that with this kind of lace front. So I love that. And then in the cap came with 3 combs, so you have security. It also has like adjustable straps in the back, so you know, just to make it like tighter or looser depending on what you like. Also, this is a HD transparent lace. It's already pre-plucked. It looks really good, really nice and realistic. So really good lace quality. I'm happy about that. So 1B color, and this is actually 26 inches long, guys. It is so nice and full. I want to do something cute with this because it has this nice space to work with for me to part. So I'm super happy about that. It looks good, feels good, it's really soft. So let's go ahead and jump into this installation, girl.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give.
I like how they did the hairline. Like the shaping is very like realistic, and it actually matches perfectly with my ball cap, the layout of my ball cap. I really like that. I really like that. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut away the excess around the ear portion. And this is a medium cap, by the way, guys. The specs, as I said, everything will be listed. So if you want to do the exact density of this wig, check my description box, okay? I'm gonna be using my lace Be Gone glue for today's install.
Can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can.
So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and fast forward through me applying the glue to the hairline portion. And yeah, then we're gonna apply this. I'm so excited for this install.
I want you in my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need.
As you guys saw, I removed the extra lace, finessed my edges, everything. What I need to do now is just, you know, blend down the lace portion for where you're seeing a little bit of cast in it. So I'm just getting a little bit of my powder, and then I'm gonna tie this down so I can have it melted in and looking good. I'm gonna tie down the very edge portion of it with the elastic band. But so far so good. This lace is so nice. I love the construction of the wig. It's very easy to work with, so I really can't complain. I love the sizing. I'm gonna tie down the very edge of it because I want to go in and part the wig to style it. Hair super full, so nice and full. So let me just show you guys that you can part this anywhere that you please. So you want to go on the very side, see? Yep, it's looking good, looking good.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe.
So you can get a nice side part, a nice center part. You can make it really deep, you know, if that's the kind of vibe you're going for and you want a very deep, nice deep parting on your wig, you can get that from this wig. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you're looking for all of that space to work with, this is your wig for that, for sure. So I want to do like a half up, half down vibe. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So I'm gonna take my time, guys. I'm gonna use my hot comb and my wax for this and be kind of like, just because I want everything to lay flat. For this portion, I'm not gonna speak that much. It's very self-explanatory what I'm doing, so I'm gonna kind of speed it up. I'm pretty much gonna do a half up, half down. I'm parting, like doing deep parts on the side and put this piece up, and then kind of like just put the next piece behind my ear. Just a nice sleek deep wave vibe, but I want to do a half up, half down kind of look. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do everything in combination with my wax stick and my hot comb.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
So yeah, I have to come back real quick. It looks easy, but it takes time, especially if you want it to be laid and flat and neat. Yeah, but I am excited and I have to come back. I'm gonna make the parting more precise in a few once I get this in a ponytail. But I just need you guys to know that, listen, this wig, honestly, the quality of the hair and everything is making it so easy for me to work with, like styling it and stuff. Like, it's just not too much of a hassle. It installed very easily, and now I'm styling it. I'm just gonna use a scruncher. This is gonna loop and give it a nice effect with the ponytail. You guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. And I specifically use a black one. Last loop is always a pain. Whoa. Alright. And it gets it nice. It gets it nice and flat every time. So you see, it does this thing where you get this nice elongated ponytail. And I love that. Alright, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of my wax just to get any flyaways to just lay really flat, and my hot comb, so just further lay that. But I did something similar to this when I went to Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week, and I just love that hairstyle. You guys can check out my IG page for that picture. The IG page is on my screen. Yeah, this is too lit. Look at that. Oh my gosh, those waves look so good. Just for the very sides, I'm gonna take them and I'm going to create a ponytail in the very back of the wig to create this really sleek look at the sides. Okay, so I'll just get the rest of the hair out the way just so that it doesn't come out of place. And you see, it just gives your face like a facelift. It's just like, yeah, that's what we need. That is what we need. I'm gonna get an elastic band for this. I did a little bit more today with the makeup, not super natural vibes, but yeah. Oh my god, guys, this is it. This is it. This is so pretty. Like, look at the fullness of this wig. You can't tell me this isn't nice. Like, definitely giving top tier vibes. I love it. Highly recommend. If you're looking for a bomb 13x6 lace front deep wave wig, Ashimary got you, okay? And this is in its dry state right now. Like, I did a style similar to this some time ago, and then you can also go ahead and bun it like this, if you wish. It's so cute. Honestly, I don't even want to get this hair wet. But just to show you guys how you could go ahead and switch it up, I'm gonna do a little bit of water. Just spritz it a little bit just to define the curls a little bit more. And you're gonna see. The dry state eats. Like, it looks so good. This bottle only has water in it. Like, I love the sleekness of this whole look. So this is it after I spritz it with water. I really don't want it to be like too flat. I love the voluminous vibe. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. 10 out of 10, guys. Like, I love everything about the wig. The lace, the construction, the depth of the lace front. What more could you ask for? It is doing what it's supposed to do. And I'm happy that I could go ahead and bring you guys this bomb wig option today. Yeah, it's too nice. But yeah, this is pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. I hope you guys found this video informative. You know, if you like this wig, go ahead and, you know, give this video a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, okay? Yeah, I'm very consistent over here, and I do have a vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, where I upload weekly vlogs, sometimes a little bit more than just weekly. Yeah, but that's it, guys. If I have any deals, it will definitely be listed in the description box. You guys know Black Friday is coming up. A lot of deals are gonna be going on. If I have any discount code, anything like that, it will be listed, so please go ahead and make use of that. And that's it for today's wig look. You know, I'm super happy, super pleased with how it turned out. Definitely what I was going for, so I can't complain. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
I swear trying to keep these feelings to myself.